Today is Kente Monday, and a year ago I used to practice, but now practice is over. When practice meets perfection, perfection meets confidence, and confidence creates leaders. You know, this is about honoring your family. This ain't the game no more. You know, yeah, perfect. Can't have any mistakes. Representing a large family, an honorable family, being able to connect after 30 years. Thank you, Papa. Making sure all this fits perfectly. Gonna get my cha-cha sandals done properly, fitted, get professional pictures. But this is just a little bit of me perfecting it. Still working on the Adowa dance, but you know, nothing is perfect in one day. So yeah, just doing my part. A little bit of dancing, you know, doing what's supposed to be done, having a good time, laughing, posing, honoring my dad. And hopefully all the family members that see me do this, you know, are happy. I'm sure they are. But, you know, you're doing it for the next generation. You know, it's been a while. Happy to be where it is now, but couldn't be smiling more. Love it. Abusua. Papa. Good stuff. Good stuff. Amazing. What are you going to say? I mean, what can you say? Can't imagine that this started 30 years ago, but we don't think in the past, we just move forward.